I would like to teach you a song. And the song goes a little something like this. Down, 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 ba-dum, down, 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 ba-dum, down, 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 ba-dum, down. Ayan. So I'd like to tell you that we are sending Ding Dong out of the room. Let's say bye, Ding Dong. 3, 2, 1.
Bye, Ding Dong!
Ding Dong, bye!
Lalabas si Ding Dong because we're going to get some words from you that he has to guess. So could you please give us some words in English or Tagalog that is difficult to guess?
Alice ko.
Okay. Can I have another word difficult to guess? Yes.
Senomar.
Thank you so much for giving us those words. Para saan to? Ito yung mga words na huhulaan ni Ding Dong. But the way we will give him clues is by singing rhyming couplets. We're gonna welcome Ding Dong in with a bang. I'd like you to sing ba-dum down, 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 ba-dum down, 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 ba-dum down.
Ba-dum down!
Filipino o Chinese ba to?
Ba-dum down.
Ano ba ang totoo?
Ano ba ang totoo?
Yes!
Ba-dum down.
Na nationality ni Alice Go.
Ba-dum down, 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 ba-dum down, 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 ba-dum down.
Ding dong, pag humarurot malakas.
Baramdam.
Ingat tuhod mo, baka magasgas.
Ba-dum down,
Pag humarurot ng malakas,
ba-dum down.
siguro ikaw ay nakaangkas.
Ba-dum down. Okay! Ba-dum down.
Without this certificate, you won't go far.
Ba-dum down.
Kailangan mo ito para sumakay ng bridal car.
Ba-dum down. Ba-dum down.
Kung gusto mong sumakay ng bridal car,
Ba-dum down.
siguraduhin mo meron kang Senomar.
Ba-dum down.
Isayaw ni Ding Dong, nakakapagod.
Jill went up the hill.
Ba-dum down.
Doon siya nagpaka-well.
Yes! Ba-dum down.
May mga drinks that kills.
Baramdam.
Pero this one just really sells.
Baramdam.
Ba-dum down.
Kahit anong whiskey, wala akong pakels.
Ba-dum-dum.
Pangalan to ng tao, oh wells.
Ba-dum down. Masturbation is a skill. Haluan mo to ng coke para makakill.
Kung haluan mo ang Coke details, kailangan ng Jack Daniels.
Isa na lang po. Kailangan mag-research study. Kopyahin mo ito sa dulo ng submit.
Hindi ang researcher magiging happy
Ba-dum down.
pag hindi pinayagan ng thesis advice.
Ba-dum down.
Ibid-ibid and so many. Sa ending mo ito masisi.
Ba-dum down.
Parang sa library,
Ba-dum down.
kasama nito ang glossary.
Ba-dum down. You need to cite your sources you see para ang research mo di catastrophe. Ba-dum down.
Is it the Bible or the dictionary?
Ba-dum down.
You must
be resilient and happy.
Paramdam.
If you have a thesis, you see,
Paramdam.
you should have an index.
Paramdam.
Believe in yourself, katunog niya you see. Kaya magpunta tayo sa library.
Paramdam.
Alis.
If you have a thesis, you see, kailangan meron kang bibliography.
Give it up for Gengar!
So meron pong di masasama sa edit, ano?
Masturbation is a skill.
It's a skill.
Yes, I have a degree. I have a degree, charot.
Spit, Manila.